Semua sudah oke, Roger. Di kopi, Roger.
A self-motivated visionary. PT United Tractors TBK, or UT. A publicly listed subsidiary of PT Astra International TBK. Continuously the leader in heavy equipment distribution in Indonesia. Has transformed itself into a visionary, customer-driven network. Its extensive regional network encompasses spare parts distribution centers, training centers, branch and representative offices, and site offices across Indonesia. Keeping UT closer to its customers. With over 30 years of experience, entrusted with sole distribution of heavy equipment by world-famous international makers. Today, UT is one of the most highly regarded and trusted companies in Indonesia. To embrace customers' ultimate business goal, to achieve the lowest lifetime cost per total output, and at the same time, to satisfy the different individual customer needs. UT institutes a total support concept. Begin with pre-sales consultation and application engineering, unit inspection, to after-sales service, which includes parts and service support, component remanufacturing backup for mining business, and user training. In order to uphold the most discerning standard of its support, continuous emphasis is placed on human resources training and development programs, covering the technical competence, behavioral, and leadership aspects, embarking on highly advanced information technology by linking all field operating units online through VSAT satellite communications. UT's acclaimed Management Information System is feeding real-time data for all facets of its operation, ensuring unfailing support for its customers. UT's commitment to helping customers to protect and to accomplish optimum return from their investment is uncompromising. A vehicle health monitoring system will do remote performance monitoring for engine and drive transmission, enabling precise scheduling for parts replacement and other preventive maintenance procedures to maintain optimum unit performance. Continually securing its dominant market share in the mining sector, heavy equipment from UT are at work round the clock in most of the largest mines in Indonesia. As an evidence of UT's unwavering support to the mining industry and in fulfilling its customers' demands, PT Pamapersada Nusantara, one of the company's subsidiaries and today's largest mining contractor in Indonesia, was formed to accommodate mining contracting services to most key players in the field. Attributed to its well-developed operating network, along with the evolving market demands, UT also commands significant presence in other sectors, including agribusiness, forestry, construction, industry, and transportation. Preservation of natural and human resources signals the importance of an environmental, health, and safety programs in securing a balanced, sustainable business growth. Towards this vision, UT embraces a green company concept that anchors on 4 main criteria: green strategy, green process, green product, and green employee. UT's earnest commitment to community development is evidenced by its support on the local economy, providing aid in the health and education sectors. Sustainable business growth derives from customer satisfaction and sound business reputation. Continually assuring customers to attain the lowest lifetime cost per total output requires a combination of quality product backed by a total support commitment. As a visionary, customer-driven organization, UT will always strive to anticipate and to respond to the specific needs of each individual customer, deliver quality products and world-class supports. United Tractors, a self